Over 80 students at the Starehe Girls Center, located at the border of Kiambu Town and Nairobi counties, are reported to have exhibited signs of a strange disease that manifested through high-pitched coughing, sneezing and low-grade fever. Parents now forced to take their children home after the school reached a decision to close down after consultations with the Ministry of Education and that of Health.
Wengine sisi tumetoka mbali kufika tumepata mkutano umeenda, lakini tumeambiwa tuchukue watoto mpaka Monday. Shida ile tumeona tu watoto wanakohoa na hatujajua shida ni nini.
They are telling us it's not contagious, but I have a question for them. It started with 6 children because we got some SMS some time back. 6 kids. Now, as of today, more than 80 students are coughing. Seriously, I don't think it's right.
Some parents, however, remain uncertain over their next plan of action, accusing the school management of failing to provide them with sufficient information on the health status of their children.
Sawa, tumekujia watoto kuna outbreak ya flu nini, but we have kids at home. How safe? Watoto wetu watakuwa safe aje? Hatujapewa direction yote tuwapeleke hospitali ama nini. Tuwachukue tuwapeleke tu nyumbani waende kusambazia wale wengine.
I went to the nurse and asked her, what have you done? And she was telling me, ati mtoto yuko na dawa. They're the ones who've been in custody of these children. So I was expecting her to tell me, these are the medicines we've given them, these are the tests we've done.
I think it's too early, wacha wafanye utafiti vizuri. Ndio tutajua vizuri sana kama ni ugonjwa ambayo itaenea ita spread kwa wengine au ni kitu contain kwa kutoa watoto kwa shule.
Some students have also complained of harassment as they sought medical help at a nearby health center.
Last night they were taken to a certain hospital in Kiambu, it's a private hospital. When they went there, the experience was too much. They were beaten up by the nurses. And then when they came here, they even got worse. And then in the clinic, they're given sleeping pills and pain relievers.
The affected students are in Form 1, 2 and 3 and are expected to report back to school on Monday. The Form 4 students will, however, have to stay in school since they are preparing for the KCSE exams, despite some of them being affected by the strange disease.
Everyone is supposed to report back on Monday between 10 and 4 p.m. But the Form 4s have to remain behind despite the fact that you have the symptoms or you don't have the symptoms.
The school administration on Tuesday had issued a statement indicating that 52 students had been placed in isolation for observation after manifesting signs of an unknown disease. Doctors from the Integrated Disease Surveillance Response Department had earlier collected samples for analysis at the Kenya Medical Research Institute, KEMRI. For Channel 1 News, I'm Safin Acheng Oma.